In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add availability on Connecteam. Whether you're a manager looking to streamline your team's scheduling or an employee aiming to get your preferences noted, this guide is here to help you navigate the Connecteam platform efficiently. To begin, you'll want to log into your Connecteam account. This can typically be done by heading to the Connecteam website and entering your login credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all your main navigation options. You're going to want to click on Schedule, which is prominently displayed there. This will take you to the scheduling dashboard, a central hub for managing shifts and availability. Now, in the scheduling dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up a variety of options related to your scheduling preferences. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option that says Enable Availability. This is a crucial step because enabling this feature allows both managers and employees to input and view availability preferences. Click on Enable Availability to turn this feature on. This ensures that all availability data can be integrated seamlessly into your scheduling process. After you've enabled availability, there's one last important step to solidify these changes. Look for the Save Changes button. It's usually located at the bottom of the Settings menu. Clicking this button is essential, as it will apply all the changes you've made, ensuring that your availability settings are now active and ready for use. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added availability to your Connecteam account. This setup will help make scheduling easier and more transparent for everyone involved. Remember, the availability feature is a great tool to ensure that scheduling is done in a way that respects everyone's time and preferences, enhancing both productivity and satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Connecteam's support or consult their help resources available online. Have a great day and happy scheduling.